Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Shiba Inu, SHIB, from Uphold to Bitrue in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to move your assets for better trading opportunities or storage, this tutorial is perfect for you. It's quick, easy, and I'll walk you through every step to avoid any hiccups. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and Bitrue, and that you have some SHIB in your Uphold wallet. Double-check your balances and ensure you're comfortable with the transfer fees, which can vary based on network congestion. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account. Navigate to your dashboard and find the SHIB token in your portfolio. Click on it to access your wallet details. Step 2. Select the option to withdraw or transfer SHIB. You'll need to choose the network, typically Ethereum for SHIB, so pick ERC20 to match Bitrue's requirements. Enter the amount you want to transfer, but remember to leave a little extra for gas fees if you're using the Ethereum network. Step 3. Get your Bitrue wallet address. Log into your Bitrue account, go to the deposit section, and select SHIB. Copy the wallet address provided. Double-check it's for the correct network to prevent any loss. Step 4. Back in Uphold, paste the Bitrue wallet address into the withdrawal form. Add any required memos or tags if Bitrue specifies them, then review and confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation prompt, so take a moment to verify everything. Once the transfer is initiated, it might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network traffic. Keep an eye on your Bitrue account for the deposit. A few tips to keep things smooth. Always use the exact network type to avoid failed transfers, never share your private keys, and consider the current market volatility before moving assets. If you run into issues, both platforms have support resources. There you have it. That's how you transfer SHIB from Uphold to Bitrue in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.